Professur mill-Universita ta' Bournmouth li ġie Malta biex janalizza t-tieqa tad-Dwejra xejn ma kellu aħbarijiet sbieħ. Donnu din it-tieqa li tiġbed lejha eluf ta' turisti u min jaf kemm servit ta' sfond għal ritratti mill-isbaħ hija destinata biex xi darba ma tibqa' tieqa xejn. Kemm baqa' biex dan isir ma nafux, però il-Professur May li għadda 3 tim f'Malta jistħarreġ dwar dan il-ġmiel naturali qal li xquq huma kbar.
What I have seen is that there are a very large number of cracks in the rocks, that in some places there are pieces of rock which are overhanging. There are areas where the cracks are such that they're enclosing areas of rock, sometimes in fact with line junctions running across the rock and cutting off the rock. And those are all areas where at some time in the future those rocks will fall off. Some of them are so loose from the rock face they could fall off in the next few days. Others might not fall off for weeks, months or even years.
L-istudju tal-Professur May se jiffoka fuq il-ġeoloġija u se ssir ukoll analiżi dwar x'inhu s-sors primarju li qed jikkawża l-ħsara tat-tieqa tad-Dwejra. Għall-Professur May din mhijiex l-ewwel żjara f'San Laurent, l-ewwel waħda tieħdu lura ħafna fis-snin.
I first came and saw the Azure window 38 years ago, and then more recently I've been again, and this time when I've been looking at it both from the seaward and the landward side, I am somewhat shocked by the amount of cracking and loose material which is there, and also by the amount of change that has been in the last period of years.
Il-Professur May ġie Malta wara talba li saret mill-Ministeru għal-Għawdex bl-għajnuna tal-Uffiċċju tal-UNESCO għal Malta. Dan talab ukoll l-għajnuna tal-World Heritage Center fih dan il-UNESCO. Primarjament, il-Professur May huwa mistenni jgħid kif tista' titnaqqas il-ħsara li qed issir għalkemm sa issa kemm mhix biss xuftejh.
All of what I've seen leads me to think that it is going to be very difficult to do anything to actually prevent those failures happening. There have been reports which suggest ways in which it can be held together. Frankly, I don't think they are going to do the job. They would be very expensive in many cases. In other cases, it would be almost impossible to get there to deal with them. And the time scale in which those failures might happen is, despite all the expert experience, is very, very difficult to forecast.